Jake takes the cake. Meet Jake. Jake is a baker. Jake works in a bakery. Jake likes to bake cakes. Jake makes a living baking cakes. Meet Blake. Blake does brakes. Blake works in a shop that fixes car brakes. Blake loves cake with coconut flakes. Sometimes Jake will make a cake with coconut flakes just for Blake. Meet Drake. Drake is a drake. Drake lives on a lake near Jake's bakery. Drake also loves cake with coconut flakes. Sometimes Drake will try to take the cake that Jake has baked. Meet Snake. Snake is a fake. Snake was in a store by the lake. Jake bought the fake snake to scare the Drake. If Drake thinks there is a snake in the bakery, Drake will not try to take the cake. One night, when Drake was not awake, Jake baked a coconut cake for Blake. But then there came an earthquake, and the bakery began to shake. For the sake of this cake, I hope the quake doesn't wake the Drake. He will try to take the cake, said Jake. But the quake did wake Drake. Cake, cake, I smell cake, yelled Drake as he ran to take Jake's cake. But Drake did a double take when he saw the bakery snake. Drake didn't know the snake was fake and fearfully started to shake. Drake was very afraid of snakes. Snake! Snake! Yelled Drake to Jake. If you don't like snakes, stay away from the cakes, said Jake as he sprinkled flakes on the cake. For goodness sake! Do you allow snakes where you bake the cakes? Said Drake to Jake. If I allow drakes, then I allow snakes. It's only fair, said Jake to Drake. You've made a mistake, said Drake to Jake. I'll never come here again for cake. Away went Drake, and in came Blake to get his cake with coconut flakes. You make great cakes, said Blake to Jake, but I could do without the snake. The snake is fake to fool the Drake, so he won't try to take the cake, said Jake. Now, that idea really takes the cake, said Blake.